We're going to be talking about factoring trinomials. The definition of factoring is to resolve or be resolvable into factors with reference to a number. The definition of trinomials is an algebraic expression of three terms. Factor trinomials in the form of a squared plus bx plus c. So here are three examples of trinomials. For x squared minus x minus 56, negative x is going to equal to negative 1. And for negative 56 and negative 1, we're going to have to put them in the x marks the spot method. So negative 56 will go on the top and negative 1 will go on the bottom. And for the x marks the spot method, negative 1 has to equal the sum of the two numbers and the top number has to equal the product. So negative 8 and positive 7 make the sum of negative 1 and the product of negative 56. That means that they can both be factored into x plus 7 and x minus 8. For number 3, x squared plus 4x plus 4, for the sum and the product, 2 for both numbers can be used. It will make the sum of 4 and the product of 4. That means the answer will be x plus 2 squared because it's the same number used. For the final answer, x squared plus 6 minus 27, negative 27 will go on the top and positive 6 will go on the bottom. So then the product will be negative 3 and positive 9, and that will equal the product of negative 27, and it will equal the sum of positive 6. So the answer will be x plus 9 times x minus 3. Next is a rectangle where we know the area and the length and width. So the width is x plus 5, and the length is x minus 3, and the area being 48. So we're going to set it to x plus 5 and x minus 3 equals 48, and then put it into a trinomial, which will be x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 48, subtract 48, and then we'll be left with x squared plus 2x minus 63 equals 0. And then we'll set the trinomial x squared plus 2x minus 63, put x marks the spot, 2 on the bottom, negative 63 on the top. Negative 7 and positive 9 will be the two numbers that we can factor out. And then it'll be x plus 9, x minus 7, so we'll solve for both. X will equal 9, or my bad, negative 9, or positive 7. So x can equal two different numbers. And the summary is using factoring trinomials is a good solution to solve practical problems in life. It can also solve geometric problems. So thank you for watching and listening, and we hope you learned a little bit.